What's the best monitoring system for your Duramax? Let's dive into the all-new FASS Connect monitoring system. So let's go ahead and hand this over to our tech, Eric, and he's going to install this and show you guys how it's done, and then we'll go ahead and review it once it's installed and see what he thinks. We ran tons of different gauge monitors, and we'll let you know how the FASS Connect stands up to the competition.
So shit. All right, so I've got this FASS Connect installed. I've been driving with it for about a month now. Right now I'm monitoring both the lift pump pressure on my AirDog and also the outlet pressure on my AirDog, which gives me the state of health of my fuel filters. The install is straightforward. Once you get all your sensors hooked up, you just have to hook up to a power and a ground. Obviously there's also a key on source under the hood. On the Duramax, these later trucks, you start losing options for your key on, for your wire taps or your fuse taps. It may be a good idea if you run a lot of accessories to put an accessory bar in just to run all those accessory ons, but minimal wiring, straightforward, easy to do. Not only have I been monitoring the fuel pressure from my lift pump, but also the EGT temps, the trans temp. It's really nice to know the state of health of my fuel system. Also, the ease of install does not take very long. They have all the fittings just about that you're gonna need. With the AirDog install, I did have to get a inline fitting from AirDog to hook up the pressure sensor on the outlet side. But so far, I've enjoyed it. It does tell you the different temp, like on this Duramax truck, the trans temp is basically from a sensor that's part of the manifold pressure switch on the valve body. I've got it down in my sump of my pan, which is showing me about 10 degrees cooler. So I think it's more real time. but it also doesn't take over your data link connector. So if you have other stuff hooked up there, you don't have to worry about adding a splitter. And you also get to monitor all of those things and change it all through the app, which is a real nice feature. Pick colors, organize them however you want. I think for the money, you get a good deal on this product, and it all fits into a small gauge pod.